Meet Fusion software, purpose-built for the world of LIHTC. Fusion is a smart, intuitive platform designed to streamline every phase of affordable housing asset management. From acquisition analysis to construction tracking, lease-up, compliance audits, credit allocations, and post-construction performance, Fusion connects it all in one place. With LIHTC-centric templates, real-time dashboards, and centralized data input, Fusion delivers the transparency, accuracy, and insights your organization needs to manage tax benefits, safeguard compliance requirements, and ensure long-term project viability. Fusion software, here to help. The idea behind Fusion was simple: help teams do more with less friction. We built Fusion to boost productivity and reduce operating costs by streamlining reporting, compliance, and asset management for the entire LIHTC ecosystem. Managing your LIHTC assets is complex, but your software doesn't have to be. Fusion replaces fragmented systems and manual entry with one unified platform. Automated workflows eliminate repetitive tasks, standardized templates reduce errors and improve reporting. Dashboards bring clarity to granular and cross-portfolio view. That means your team can focus on growth, risk mitigation, and results, not administrative overhead. Here's what Fusion does best: a centralized database with seamless data ingestion, integrating inputs from multiple sources fast and accurately. Standardized reports tailored for the entire LIHTC lifecycle, and the flexibility to generate custom reports on demand. Built-in compliance tools, dashboards, alerts, and automated reminders help you stay ahead of every deadline. Real-time insights, track performance benchmarks across assets and flag issues before they escalate. And a shared platform with workflow tracking ensures your team stays aligned with no duplication and missteps. So what makes Fusion different? Unlike generic software, Fusion was purpose-built exclusively for tax credit developers, syndicators, and investors. It's tailored to the real-world complexities of affordable housing, from funding through long-term compliance, and it integrates with your existing tools, construction software, budgets, timelines, and property management systems to give you a complete view of every project in your portfolio. Fusion software, manage assets, not spreadsheets.